Let's go. Let's see. Wonder what we'll find down here. Probably nothing. You know what, to be honest, I kind of want to magnet fish this pond, or all three of them, honestly, and see what we get. A lot of duck shit. I mean, finding that crankbait in a tree, the bobber, so I mean, a crankbait being in that tree, you never know what's in the water, because I don't know how deep this is. And you know, that's the bet to magnet fish this. You never know what you find. I mean, I'm fishing in a pond that's in a cemetery, so there's that. You see how shallow it is right there? Well, I mean, you guys probably can't see it on camera, but or on video, I mean, but it's shallow right there. I can see the bank from the bottom. So just shit. So I hit the bottom there. I'm gonna so me being curious, I'll follow this trail, because this goes all the way around. Well, it should. I mean, it looks like it does. It does, it does. I don't know. Looks like it does. Yeah. So it goes right into a fucking swamp though. Oh no, it don't. It goes right into a creek. So I need to come back out here when I have my waders. Cause look at this. This, how deep is this? Oh, it's shallow. But that, to fish this, how stop is this? So, come out on this. Like, look at this. Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, get all this. Sticker. Okay, summary sticker. So you guys put my lure hit right there. So, I mean, all this trash, right? I'm not pushing it any further. That's about as further as I'm going, because I don't want to. I ain't got my waders on. But if I did, freaking ducks are following me. But just the way this is, I'm here with magnets, man. Magnet fishing, bro. I mean, Like, that's solid. But for it to be solid ground, and me standing practically, we're good. Someone yelling. I'm not trespassing. Well, I say we're gonna call it. We did a pretty good video. I talked, but yeah, we're gonna call it.